Pamper my plants.
Adjusting the temperature.
Oh, that's so cute. Google pretty much created this digital space inspired by me, and they asked me, Jackie, what's your ideas? Jackie, what's your style? Like, all I need is rose gold, pink, and fur and flowers.
Hell yeah. I got a good feeling about this.
Everything is the cutest.
I wanted to show this first because it's kind of like an opening, like, awesome thing.
Very awkward, like, crowd of people.
Okay, good.
I feel like I died and went to slime heaven.
Oh my God. This is insane.
Everything that I imagined it would be, this room is, and then more. Hey Google, how do I look?
Divine.
Well, thank you.
My Google Assistant is gonna help me make a giant batch of slime honey.
So we fully automated the room using the Google Assistant, and we're going to be using it throughout our experiment.
Today we're going to be sharing with you some of our favorite plant hacks to use with the Google Assistant.
I'm here to tease my new song Glitter with the help of the Google Assistant.
I'm gonna be showing you how I get glam incorporating the Google Assistant into my routine.
Hey Google. Hey Google.
Hey Google.
Hey Google.
Hey Google, let's get glam.
All right, ordering your usual from Starbucks.
Hey Google, it's science time.
On top of Mount Everest, water boils at 160 degrees Fahrenheit.
Check this out. Hey Google, pamper my plants.
Adjusting the temperature.
This is amazing. Hey Google, let's pick an outfit.
Hey Google, turn on the plasma ball.
Hey Google, order my usual from Starbucks.
Ordering a pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks.
I love you, I love you!
Hey Google, it's showtime. I just want to say a huge special thanks to Google for bringing my vision to life.
Hey Google, it's time to go.
Bye.
Hey Google, clean up this mess.
Hey Google, it's showtime.
Hey Google, it's science time.
Hey Google, let's get glam.
Hey Google, pamper my plants.
Hey Google, we have so much to do today.
Hey Google, it's slime time.
Hey Google, you did a great job, gal. Great job.
You know who I think is doing a great job?
Who?
You.